Okay, so how many of us feel annoyed by the way how the scrolling happen in case of Macintosh? And especially you're gonna feel the difference if, let's say, you are migrating from Microsoft Windows. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix this issue. Alright, so for that you need to go here on the top and then go here in system setting. Now here we need to look for mouse. So let's go down here and then you're gonna see mouse. Now let's click here on advanced and let's enable this pointer acceleration. Now click on done. Now let me again try and exploring the website here, and now I can see the scrolling speed is kind of constant. It's not like you are scrolling and then the page scroll is gaining some speed. So if I turn it off and again if I try to do this, then I feel like there is a lag. But when you go back and again go to advanced and turn this pointer acceleration on, and you're not going to feel any lag, and you're gonna get experience more like Microsoft Windows. So that's how, guys, you can fix this lag issue. Hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to the Mac Essential for more such content, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.